The Pool Blaster Max LICG is a commercial-grade cleaner for your residential pool and spa. It's more powerful and more reliable than ever before, guaranteed to save you time cleaning your pool and spa. The Pool Blaster Max LICG is completely independent from your pool's filtration system. It works without installation. It works without hoses or electrical connections of any kind. Its powerful onboard pump motor vacuums leaves, twigs, bugs, dirt, and debris. Proven results for fast, easy pool cleaning. Its reusable filter bag will also clean small particles like sand, silt, and algae. You'll love how easy it is to keep your pool and spa clean. It runs strong on rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that power the vacuum for up to 1 hour on a single charge. The Pool Blaster Max LICG will recharge in just 4 hours and be ready to use again. It fits on any telescopic pole to enable you to reach all areas of your pool and spa. You'll find this vacuum to be a powerhouse for your backyard. The Pool Blaster Max LICG is a great way for you to keep your pool and spa clean year after year.